At that very same time, a salt seller carrying 2 big sacks of salt was on her way to the market. Rain soaked the bags, ruining her only source of income. Panicked, she rushed to the temple and cried, "Oh Earth Goddess, please have mercy. My family lives on this salt. If it all dissolves in the rain, we'll starve. I beg you, bring back the sun." The Earth Goddess sighed. Once again, she lifted the rain gourd and drew the rain back in. The skies cleared instantly. But now everything had gone full circle. The boatman, the apple farmer, the vegetable farmer, and the salt seller. All four were unhappy. Each wanted something different. And together, they started shouting, arguing, and complaining. The Earth Goddess, overwhelmed, finally lost her patience. She tore down the "Every wish shall be granted" plaque and threw it to the ground. The four were terrified and fell silent. Just then, the Earth God returned from heaven. From afar, he saw the plaque lying broken on the ground. He knew something serious had happened. He hurried home. His wife, in tears, explained everything. To her surprise, the Earth God burst out laughing. "Ha ha, that's it. Don't worry, I have a plan." He took her hand and together they floated into the sky. From above, the Earth God looked over the land and quickly came up with a clever solution. He pulled a balloon from his sleeve and blew it up until it was enormous. Then he aimed the opening toward the river. A powerful wind gusted over the water, enough for the boatman to sail freely, but it never reached the apple orchard. "Ha ha," he laughed. "Wind for the river, but none for the trees." Next, he solved the rain problem. Late that night, he raised his magical staff toward the moon, and with great strength, he pulled the moon down from the sky. His wife gasped, "What are you doing?" The Earth God calmly dropped the moon into the river. The river overflowed with water. Then he lifted the moon back out, attached a spout to it, and hung it back in the sky. Now, water poured down from the moon like a sprinkler, falling only on the vegetable farmer's fields. The farmer knelt in gratitude. The Earth Goddess asked again, "But what if it rains all day? The salt seller will lose her goods again." The Earth God smiled. "Don't worry, it will rain only at night, and the days will always be sunny. This way, the vegetables will grow, and the salt can be carried safely to the market." And so, with the Earth God's wisdom, everyone's wishes were fulfilled. The boatman, the apple farmer, the vegetable farmer, and the salt seller all were happy. The Earth Goddess finally relaxed. The couple returned to the temple and hung the plaque back in its place. Once again, it read, "Every wish shall be granted." From then on, the Earth God and Earth Goddess continued to protect the land, and life in the village grew peaceful and prosperous.